In this video, we'll run through the process of generating a list of unpaid invoices so you can follow up on customers who aren't paying. Just as a quick reminder, Gas Engineer software can automatically send up to 3 separate invoice reminders to customers. To turn these on, you simply need to head to your settings in the web portal. Click Manage under Service Reminders and Email Templates, and then Edit under Invoice Reminder 1, 2, and 3. In this window, you can choose for them to be sent automatically, whether you receive a copy yourself, at what point they're sent, and what the message contains. But some customers don't check their emails, or even have one for that matter, so phoning them up is your best bet. Which brings us back to the topic of this video. To quickly generate a list of outstanding invoices, make your way to the web portal once more. Click on Invoices in the main navigation bar. On this page, there are different tabs for outstanding, paid, reconciled, draft, and archived invoices. To get a list of outstanding invoices, make sure you have that tab selected. You'll be able to see everything from the date you invoiced to how much is outstanding, whether there's been any partial payment or not, and how many days ago you issued the invoice. On this window, if you would like to download this data as a spreadsheet, click Download Invoice Data. You'll then be prompted to set a date range where you can simply select the dates from the calendar. Once done, a CSV file will be downloaded to your computer, which you can open in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to make your own notes as you contact them. The exact same process can be done with paid invoices for credit control by heading to the Paid tab. That's it for this video. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us by ringing 0207 129 7058 or emailing support@gasengineersoftware.co.uk.